HCF, highest common factor. In this video, you will learn how to find the highest common factor of two numbers. What is HCF? HCF, highest common factor, is the largest number that divides exactly into two or more given numbers without leaving a remainder. To find the HCF of two numbers, list the factors of both numbers and identify the largest one that appears in both lists. Let's see an example to understand better. Here, you need to find the highest common factor of 36 and 72. First, list all the factors of 36. To find the factors of a number x, you need to find the pairs of whole numbers that can be multiplied to make x. You can check out one of our videos on multiples and factors for better understanding. Now, let's follow the 5-step method to find all the factors of a number. Start with y equals 1 and divide the given number x by y. If x is evenly divisible by y, no remainder, then y and the quotient, x divided by y, form a factor pair. If not, discard that pair. Increase y by 1, y equals y plus 1. Repeat steps 1 to 3 until a factor repeats, indicating that all factor pairs have been found. List all the factor pairs identified. Here, the given number is 36, and let's start with y equals 1. Divide 36 by y, 1. Is 36 divisible by 1? Yes. 1 times 36 equals 36. The factor pair is 1, 36. Increase y to 2. Is 36 divisible by 2? Yes. 2 times 18 equals 36. The factor pair is 2, 18. Increase y to 3. Is 36 divisible by 3? Yes. 3 times 12 equals 36. The factor pair is 3, 12. Increase y to 4. Is 36 divisible by 4? Yes. 4 times 9 equals 36. The factor pair is 4, 9. Increase y to 5. Is 36 divisible by 5? No. 5 is not a factor of 36. Increase y to 6. Is 36 divisible by 6? Yes. 6 times 6 equals 36. The factor pair is 6, 6. Since the factor 6 is repeated, and we can stop here. Now, it's time to write down all the factor pairs. 1, 36, 2, 18, 3, 12, 4, 9, 6, 6. Let's arrange the numbers in ascending order and remove the duplicates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. The factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Next, let's move on to find the factors of 72. By using the same 5-step method, we get the factors of 72 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36, 72. Now, let's compare both lists and find the biggest one. Here, there are many common factors like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 that appears in both the lists. Since 36 is the biggest number in both lists, it is the highest common factor. The highest common factor of 36 and 72 is 36. Does this method seem lengthy? There is one method to find the HCF of two numbers using their prime factors. Here, list all the prime factors of both numbers. Identify the prime factors that appear in both lists and multiply them together. Let's see an example. Here, you need to find the highest common factor of 150 and 60. First, let's list the prime factors of 150. To find the prime factors, we can use the factor tree method. The factor tree method is a way to find the prime factorization of a number by breaking it down into its prime factors step by step. First, split the given number into two factors, preferably dividing the number by the smallest prime number. If the factor is a prime number, put a circle around it to mark it as a prime factor. If the factor is not a prime number, continue splitting it until you are left with only primes. Write down all the circled numbers, which are the prime factors. Here, the given number is 150. Let's divide that by the smallest prime number, which is 2. 150 divided by 2 equals 75. The factors are 2 and 75. Since 2 is a prime number, it is a prime factor. 75 is not a prime number. So we have to split that again. 75 divided by 3 equals 25. The factors are 3 and 25. Since 3 is a prime number, it is a prime factor. 25 is not a prime number. So we have to split that again. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. The factors are 5 and 5. Since both the factors are prime numbers, we can stop the factorization and 5 are the prime factors. Now, let's write down all the prime factors for 150. 150 equals 2 times 3 times 5 times 5. Next, let's follow the same method to find the prime factors of 60. Now, let's write down all the prime factors for 60. 60 equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Now, let's compare both the lists and multiply the prime factors that appear in both lists. The numbers 2, 3 and 5 appear in both the lists. 2 times 3 times 5 times equals 30. The highest common factor of 150 and 60 is 30. We hope you have understood how to find the HCF of two numbers.